Hey guys, welcome back to Geeky Codes. Today we are going to solve an interesting SQL problem from LeetCode. And the problem name is how to find the biggest single number from a table. Okay, so let's start. Here we have been given a table named my numbers that contains a column num, and each number can appear multiple times. Here our task is to find the largest number or the biggest number which appears only once, and if there is no such number we can return the null. Sounds simple, right? So let's start. First of all, what we will do is that we will group all the numbers using group by clause, and then we will use the having clause to check that it filters only those numbers who count exactly 1, meaning that they appear only once. And after that we will use the maximum number from the filtered results. That's it. And we can use a subquery for that. So let's start writing the query. Select max of the numbers num as num, and we will be selecting this from, we will use a subquery select num from my numbers table and group by num and having and count equal to 1 as singles. Okay, so that's it. Let's try to run it and check if it works or not. Okay, as we can see here that our code has passed the first test case that is available in the examples. So that's how you solve the biggest single number problem using SQL easily. And now we will try to submit it and check if it passes all the test cases in this problem or not. As you can see that this code has passed all the test cases and it performs well. So that's it for the video. And if you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel for more amazing SQL tutorials and coding content.